Otua champion say what is yes but enya completed. Aden president say mo aden mo ka bo mai bebre ayemu na fa na ni so kra ni ade. Why? I don't man complete.
Yo, I'm pretty meda wasi papa. Na. Mamembo minua Otua champion abaso. In fact, we NDC need there. And so menina ko several platforms. A kind of faswa or exhibit.
I love him.
You know, a boapa na or chere say wonim diankasa sie mana kwanya obetimi asum
na so say be ye
and so ni din no no ne adea edane so what you say in fact me advocate say omomwa no because jami hu no any ne level of explanation to things, you know, eboa papa. Yes, eboa papa. Mr. say omo consider no because when it comes to certain things now, utijina na wode ncheche mu pa eso eba.
That's right.
Minua yes say omo hu mobo na omo mbo because as ade no eko afa. What you say? Apretwum.
Yey.
Me say from Tuesday, na mete another station. Ye kasa. Ena konfanochi piaru no. Efre say o wasem bia o pese o kama amansa nyina tibie. Eti e de enu say oh ebia there's a new development bia akoso a eye novel a chese ebeboa ma niema pa akoso. What you say?
Okay.
Only to hear from the man say accident and emergency center work on for noche no ampachum
yey
e hwa ba piso chisendi si bae accident see am emergency center was ochemu confeder say a red zone no say what's a fast 17 a drew 31 say yellow zone no I was a for 24 a drew 42 and a big crowd did that form now son no be kasa asem we no more bro confirm noche what say wo nyina ye pridu ambeche say omo mu ho no a omo wo sese no eye nkrofo a you cannot take them out eti de obetima no na do ofie atoa so de yaman kofie eti honyina ba peso amache se asem wo ka che ne se wonim na ye accident na wo de badia pa sorry fie bi na fa ne ko
okaka ho
wo say
okaka ho
no ka se fa san a wo de zanya sorry fie na beje wo a enfa biem na beje because asem a wo ka no accident ya dia we hear immediate attention. We hear say and 10 times so no I'm preaching. I want see a team kwa otherwise you are going. Uko join it na nanom. Eti me falling ko baby. Names eh. Na sembe nie. E die be na ekoswe. Na we die manfo be ya den. O see ti wo ka kire obia say em say wo omo letter no bo amanfo ankan so still omo de biba it will be first half the case no so no aka mo fa nipa no kwa sorry fie mo fa no free anko say eh I want na me kai say ye wo original minister or ye doctor it in emergency situation say no and then we also here my ready say empakura me pour me that one me tutu na me dia ba it is me dem pani bedu dia your regional minister Frank Amoakohene ebetima jinipa no so ananya sa
empa wo da so
oh na say si empa anyway na say me obi da fia me that's why then
space ni ho nyampa
empa kukum fine we de kosi
kukum fine na ebetima jinipa ampatwum me ye nden enu ne ma ye ko we say regional minister wo here yes wo kwa America na ebo ko ye do ko for investors aba na say obeye den sa ne yire ekowo eti Amoakohene di ne yire chi ekwa America ekowo na say boy bema katachie tesawo wo yire kwawo Amoakohene wudi wo yire chi
na yeden
I said na yeden minia ye wo de hia ene wo de fata mimi nimwe se wo yire kwawo a esikasemo ana minim kofo mo frem se masa ene ma nkoye me yire da awoye ana wo entino omusi se ni enti minia pe kakra ye nyina ye gada ye ho na ya boa ye nua no koyi ni yiri apie enti ka tia se nanka ye frau se congratulations why ade wawo akora be ma na wo ba eti ye bo abaso ye na be yi wo yiri no ko we dia Amoakohene ne afri region nim atrankan adu America ene na yiri kwakowo ye ko ya na se bai edi asem ni just woni hweye
akola na kuta no
ene kuta no
Facebook
Amoakohene mi hu minister uzo ware ye 4 years ni o wa wo miensa what the 4 years awu miensa
no wasemben
masemben wo ware 4 years a ye de wo nkwala miensa wo ware 4 years a ye de wo nkwala miensa we di mi hu minister no ho ye ne de say Amoakohene mi hu bi da na wa ka ba ya o se minister bia o ba ya o se minister bia o dem o se minister bia o mi hu bi da
we are young afei no wasi so ministers abanyina obi so Simon Semensa say no we wa won maybe that is why who say wa won tese wa na say we dey afei no wasi so
na we dey minister we dey awo mentiase
de ko twada wo
o ti ase o di 4 years out of 3
na say je bad
wo pentima koen edi bad ya say na yire wo ya ni say wo sanyem saa no wo ye wo
pentima so
o ti ase no the issue is that o hwe se eniema bi ekoyie maye nipa ba over 4 million egu atante weje no weje nyina ho du yirachi ekwakowo hwe asema besi wachi nam say hwe asema ba besi wachi o ti ase ene ye kase Ashanti region Akufo-Addo eya agenda 111 baku 23 metima bodi nyina akyerɛw asaka mienu a ye wieye baku ewo Ofoikrom Kokoben o ti ase ena tredade no susu ye wieye ena Akufo-Addo nankasa ba Evermed hospitals enum what the one day ebie hospital enum sabronunu suame manson kwanta o ti ase drobonso ena efeni se twede ewie sa hospital enyira etinka samensan ka wa ha enka ubetimi aye bibi de timi ka sa ne se on se COVID-19 by Pentecost fo omo de omo prayer center em se ogoma fete senfa meboa prayer center crop na standardized for a friend is saying ayarehwe no yetimi kwaji ayarehwe wo ho how much more babia ya prepare se ukura wadwimu no se ye impa can't we send some people there because you say impa na ayamawo aha say ti say dia wa put you but specialist de omjina ho eti adenti na mfa wa mu enko sai Ofoikrom ho na ye wiye no anase se wiya na nti upa chere say President Akufo-Addo bekwa commission dan a yemfa equipment ngumu. Is that what you are telling us? Ada classroom block ni esi here. Na say classroom block kwa ebo sili edi nkonya sim. How much more hospital? Eti yesre ni say ama ne kan say ne medical skills no and come at display rather than optics na te bia oye. Why would you do that? Ye wo hospitals wo na ebaba be si say after 2 days or say after 24 hours no na o ma sa ba be ka kire say after dem betum dia ba obi so mo say what happened anase nkrofo na no mo no oba
the next day
oba wu space aba anase o ma jo mo nkwa sana ye Zoom meeting so mo ye Zoom meeting and ye crunch meeting and who say they can send some of the people to other facilities on Preso Menshia and Otiase. It is sad way ɛna ɛma yɛtumi ɛde turning crop from Confanoche enti yɛka minister sɛ ɔntra se no frɛ saa coordinating meetings no ɛno na bɛma na hu ɛnneɛma a ɛkɔ so ankasa ɔsɛ problems no ɛpɔpe ba o wei sɛ nka yɛnkyɛngye Confanoche CEO ɛna nka yɛmfa NDC ni mmaaya ɛnka ne yɛ ɔmbɛka sɛ ɔyɛ MPP ni nti na ɔhyɛ da yɛ saa o ba we NDC ni pure kwesi NDC ni pure ɔbaayɛ no instead of so be focus baabi a nipa bɛda agya ayarehwɛ no ɛfam no wɔ 2 pavement blocks ɛfam ɛna all 2 pavement blocks but I can tell you say Akufo-Addo time yɛkɔ Confanoche a unclept center no fe uko mother intensive baby care winner Rebecca Foundation kama oncology department fe na de ba ko Akufo-Addo san ye ma ye wa Asantema mu a ye fa bibi laparoscopy ni nyina ada untantie ye bo ajekum Francis ana ye bo ajekum untantie no laparoscopy ni kire se ye de camera fa wonfrum mam na ye display wo yam nyema nyina wo TV so na doctor for no year surgery.
That's right.
A very good and novel practice what the doctors miensa from Confanoche echo South Korea ekusua to improve the service delivery ewa ha mobile mutimi to blog ba kokora wo ho now hwede ese o kan say Akufo-Addo ene timi bu edan a edi 43 years because structural integrity for no be head dan no o mani pa kwatira me bebu ogu no so na ka no ye 500 bed and so odiko 800 bed capacity what you say so improvement on daily basis na mo buy na ban papa buy look at whatever is happening now Akando what is saying was suspended papa no
CEO no
say you suspend papa no and now CEO no over incompetence wo minister no I was see you wedi
adenti
na utimi ko bie chese commission edan ya bohuka say you do 1% krampa I had the enim say facility commission edan na nipa nkomu that's one commission dan no a wo no enye incompetence na wa display eti wo no fisi ade we enye fisi wo no ehu sade na ye ma mitimi nya hwe eti ni ya fa ko ba bi wo se wa ye bone se wa koye sa na ho a yesi ho facility awie a tese machines ni ade ho yesi one so air condition no krampa machines ni betima say so for say NDC by over 17 months air conditioning is so wa kra wo ka bi kire me say this
ya so ana say
na one so say machines ni be say theater machine one so air condition amana e be say and I say people don't know why we use air conditioner or baby computers so one so air condition ma computers enya adwuma papa and so theater machines so no sa na yesi so adenti na o makwan ni enkoje ayarehwe on say utimi yes satellite hospitals na and for pressure and Confanoche so o person who use the pressure wo Confanoche look at the district hospitals no enye for bibia antina Akufo-Addo ede agenda 111 ne bayo ni nyina ne say districts baku 111 no omu ni district hospitals are standardized
because as mu kan nyina bom dodo esa na
no market na wo sie no won kan nyina bom eja na wo see enkoton ade Ashanti region on file list my say o see 41 ana wo see baako eti asem bia obeka bia no eho ade ho but da bia meka jam pretum say you are careful in choosing our leaders. Now the vision of the president become the president. As Akufo-Addo, efukose say nipa nkwade say free me sir ontimi fa mbantino. What the agenda 111 aba. But you see ya me ne wo ka say. the vision of your president in say 24-hour market. And the Ukrainian say no mkai. Na ya susu niepe because omu ka say same way. Ubi say omu say 24-hour economy no. Omu cheche mu na omu bebu omu buafu. And na hwe baby akwa kusie.
All right.
What you say? And you know, we have to be careful.
Okay.
I teach you asante mantemwa. Me din see no say me party for. Say yeah no, say you to ababia about 80 to 90% etuma MPP. No matter what, and me boom fu your party. Because NDC for bar, you who chiri you come up for minister one war.
Yeah, go next topic. So